I'm making Michelle's tea for this evening. I hope she enjoys it. The picture looks a little blurry. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. And I'll begin showing you how I make her gourmet tea. Okay. Let's see here. See, I'm out of glasses. So I'll just use one of these. This one looks good. Yeah, I want to make sure it's clean. You know, I don't want her to get sick. So I'll just spray it with a little of this. Okay, that's better. So, she likes her tea with just only 1 teaspoon of sugar. So I'll give her the 1 teaspoon here. Alright. And that's that. She doesn't like too much sugar, you know. And then I'll put in some... Oh, excuse me. Wow. It's very important for you to have good, clean glassware. So I don't want her to get sick. I'll just use a little of this. Okay. So I'll put the water in. Okay. And she likes lemon with her tea. And I'm out of lemon today, so I'm going to have to use a substitute. This is lemon substitute right here. It's a very special blend of tea that I bought from Michelle. And now I'm going to put the tea bag in I previously showed you. I'll let it sit there for a little while. I'm out of milk in the refrigerator. This was left out by mistake all night. But I'm sure it's good. Okay, we'll just put a little milk in there for her. Okay, now we'll stir it up. And that's Michelle's evening tea. I'll try it just in case. Yep, that's the way she likes it.